On a shady corner in Pawhuska, you'll find the house two sisters rebuilt.
Our heart is here.
We put so much love into this home, and we hope that other people will feel that too.
Sisters Suzanne and Kathy spent a good part of the past year renovating this 1925 Craftsman into the Oilman's Daughter, Pawhuska's newest Air BNB.
We grew up in Bartlesville, and our daddy was with Phillips, and so he was the oil man. And we also had our granddaddy that lived here in Pawhuska, and he worked out in the oil fields. And so we had that significance of our mom being an oilman's daughter, as well as us being an oilman's daughter. And so we came up with the name of Oilman's Daughter to honor both of those men in our life.
The 2,500 square foot luxury vacation rental has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Updating this home was a labor of love, but the sisters salvaged many original details, like these parlor doors.
These are good bones. Gosh, these ceilings are good bones. The floors are amazing bones. Unfortunately, we have to put all these rugs on top of them to protect them.
The Oilman's Daughter also has a fully stocked kitchen, laundry room, several sitting rooms, and cozy backyard with fire pit.
We wanted it to be a comfortable, welcoming place to be. And really, when we designed it and decorated it, we did it for our family to bring them back here so that they could understand the roots of where our family started in Oklahoma.
Pawhuska's rich history is reflected in the Native American, cowboy, and custom finishes. You'll find all sorts of family touches too, including great-grandmother's china.
I think it's better than my own home.
A girls' weekend brought Erica Jones here to stay.
The beds are so comfortable, and like even the smallest things that they think of, they have a fan, a box fan in every bedroom. And they have little USB plugs in the nightstands. I mean, there's just nothing that you're going to want for it, and you're going to be very comfortable, very rested, and ready to enjoy your vacation.
The Oilman's Daughter is centrally located in Pawhuska. It's just a short walk, a couple blocks to the Pioneer Women's Mercantile, and the connection to Ree Drummond doesn't stop there.
I was married to Ree's brother, and I also grew up with Ree and her family as we were children growing up, and Ree and I raised our babies together. So we still have a very tight relationship, and we still call each other sisters. So she claims me as her sister still, and I do the same with her.
There's a 2-night minimum to stay here, but with so much to do in Osage County, you may want to book more.
People come because they have a connection to the Pioneer Woman. They love Ree Drummond, and that's why they're here. And so they're really neat, special people that come to Pawhuska. And then once they get here, they see that there are so many other things to do, and they love it, and they want to come back.
So when you plan your visit to the Osage, consider staying at the Oilman's Daughter. The rocking chairs on the front porch are waiting for you to make yourself right at home.
It's such a treat. You come here and you are pampered. And that is why I will continue to come back and stay here.
After they leave and they tell us how much fun they had in Pawhuska and how much they enjoyed being at the house, I mean, we just squeal. It just gives us the greatest joy. So it's really been a gift.
It has.
Yeah.
In Pawhuska, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.